Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Danya. So today we will be dealing about CPT modifiers. It is important interview questions regarding CPT modifiers. So this is part 1. So regarding CPT modifiers, I have made 50 questions. So it can extend up to 60 also. So I'll make a separate playlist for this modifier question. You can go through it while you are preparing for your interview. So let's get back into our video. In this video we will be talking about the most important interview question for freshers, that is medical coders, and how to prepare these questions. When coming to the modifier part, even though you find it easy, but there is some twisting part which you might get confused. So make sure you're learning it clearly. So first is, what are CPT modifiers? CPT modifiers are 2-digit codes that are added to a CPT, that is current procedural terminology code, to give extra information about the service or procedure performed. They don't change the main CPT code but clarify how the service performed, if it is different from usual, whether it needs special consideration in billing, etc. So why are modifiers important? So first thing is, it clarifies the service performed, and second comes prevents claim denials, like whether why two services were done together or differently. Third, it ensures correct payment, and fourth, it reduces audit risk, like proper modifier use avoids compliance issues and distinguish between professional versus technical services also. And when coming to the common CPT modifiers and example, here I have listed out 6 modifiers which are commonly used, that is 25 significant separately E&M service, and second one is 59 distinct procedural service, third is 50 bilateral procedure, fourth is 22 increased procedural service, and 26 modifier is professional component only, and TC is technical component only. So the key point to remember about CPT modifiers are 2-digit codes are added to CPT codes to give extra information about a service, and this does not change the main CPT code. They only clarify the circumstances, and it ensures accurate payment and prevent claim denials, shows special situations like multiple procedure, bilateral procedure, or unusual situations. So that's all about the first question. What are CPT modifiers? So in this you have to explain all these things. So we'll get into the second question in next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to join in my interview guidance training program, you can just WhatsApp me in the given number. It will be really helpful for you, and you will gain more and more knowledges regarding the coding when you are attending this interview guidance training session. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching it for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it useful, please do share it with your friends also. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.